Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can set up your OBS Studio mic. Whether you're doing live streaming or whether you're recording the screen or whatever it may be, I'll tell you the mic settings here. So clearly I'll explain. Right now, if you can see, I have connected via Bluetooth this DJI mic 2. So these properties on this mic I'll be showing you. Let me connect this is getting connected. Once this is get successfully connected, I'll be just recording the with OBS Studio only, okay, so that I can clearly explain you. So yeah, this can be in the pairing mode. Right, this is connected. So now we'll go to the OBS Studio. Yes, right now this video and the audio is recording from the DJI mic 2. So this is the mic. We need to change the properties, right? At left you will see the three dots, right? Click on these three dots, click on the properties, and which input device does this mic uses. So click on this drop down, and these are the laptop speakers. So this is the DJI mic 2 handset, and click on OK. See here, now this bar is showing up my audio levels. If I speak too much, sometimes there is possibility that this voice may touch this red line. That won't be nice when you're live streaming or when you're recording the audio. Means if your voice pitch level goes too much high, it will be going into the red, so that it will be a lot of distraction for your viewers. So for that you need to apply some filters. See here, my voice always is getting cutting off at this region only. Even if I shout, also, it is always touching this point and not going beyond this. That is due to these filters. So if I remove these filters and show you, let me remove everything one by one and I'll add it. Okay, don't worry. Remove. Okay, right, I'll be closing this. Now if I speak, you can see the red bar. I'm just shouting here. So in order to limit all this, first you need to click on these three dots, then click on filters, then click on this plus symbol, and first thing you can do is noise suppression. Click on this noise suppression. See, say for example in your room there is AC or fan working on. So to cut off those noise, ambient noise, you can use these two options. Better you can go with this one only, or else if you can go, you can go with that, but I'm just sticking to this and close. The next filter, click on these three dots, click on filters and add a filter and use the compressor. Actually, if you observe, previously my voice is always cut off to some decibels, -20 to -15, right? So I want to be at -15. So if I have to choose that, I can choose it to maybe like threshold. Just for the testing purpose, we'll keep it to -16 decibels and close. Now whatever I speak, okay, still, yeah, that is with the limiter also. Okay, so I need to apply the filter called limiter 2. Where is this limiter? Yes, maybe I'll keep it to -10 decibels. Okay, now even if I shout, this won't go to this red mark. This is with the compressor. Okay, so adjust according to your requirement. Okay, threshold adjust you can use this to get the precise output. Okay, now you can just play with this, tweak with these values until you get perfect sound. And one more thing, there is a filter called noise gate. This will completely eliminate noise when you are not speaking. Say for example, if I remain silent, there is some vehicle in and around me. At that point of time, this microphone won't take that input. Means only when I talk only the input will be taken. Okay, right? So by applying all these filters, this compressor and this limiter and everything, your voice will look somewhat professional. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, if you feel it informative, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.